How to compress 4K video to 1080p on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open the Photos application on your iPhone. Now, search for and tap on the 4K video you want to compress. Tap on the information icon below. As you can see, this video is currently in 4K resolution, and the file size is 56.8 megabytes. Now, go back and open up the CapCut application. Once you're here, tap on New Project to get started. Choose the 4K video you want to compress and tap on Add at the bottom right corner. Once the video is loaded into the timeline, tap on the resolution settings at the top of the screen. Drag the slider below resolution from 2K or 4K down to 1080p. You can also adjust the frame rate and other options for better visuals. After finalizing your settings, tap on the Export button in the top right corner. Now, wait for the video to be exported. Once it's done, go back to the Photos app. Open the new video you just saved. Again, tap on the information icon. You can see that the new video is now in 1080p and the file size is just 31.6 megabytes. Following these steps, you can easily compress a 4K video to 1080p on an iPhone.